Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut. Now here we have the man running across a sand dune, and he does a jump halfway through his run. And I want to zoom in as he jumps. So all I need to do is move the playhead to where he starts to jump, and then come to Video, Basic, and then the position and size. And we want to press this star here. This is the keyframe. So this is the start of where we want our zoom to start. So we press that. Then we want to move the playhead to where he lifts off. We can adjust the zoom by pressing any of these circles in the corner and dragging out like this, or we can use the scale. Then we can reposition it so he's directly in the middle of the screen. You don't need to press the keyframe button again, it will be automatically added for you. So now we can play on slightly. Now here he lands, and I want to zoom back out at this point. So what we can do, you can press the scale back to 100, then adjust the position so it's back all within the window. And as you can see, now if we play that, the man jumps, it zooms and zooms back out as he lands. If you're not happy with one of the keyframes, all you need to do is press on the keyframe and then select the backspace to delete that keyframe. Alternatively, you can press the keyframe and readjust the video, so I'll move him further up the screen here. Then I'll add another keyframe when he lands, and then I'll start the zoom out. So I'll add another keyframe and then start the zoom out as we did before. Once we take a look at that, when we play it back, it should zoom in on the man as he jumps and then zooms back out as the man lands and runs off screen. You can get very creative with your zooms. So that's how to zoom in and out on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.